And my respectful endeavor would be that without repeating anything that has been urged before you, just on interpretation, just to take your lordships that how do you connect the dots under the act, and 2 or 3 judgments where
Just give us your intervention application first.
IA 19969 of 2022.
Give that application.
One other thing, Malone, my learned friend is Mr. Gagan Sanghi, not Mr. Goel.
Sorry?
Mr. Sanghi. He's not Mr. Goel, Malone.
He's Sankey.
He's Sanghi. I just wanted to add it back.
Gagan Sang.
Gagan Sanghi.
Gagan Sankey.
We have called it Goel because your compilation say Goel.
That's right.
Very simply, in my case, what has happened is SMS was relied upon.
What is your name? So we
Debesh Panda. I am the advocate on record. Debesh Panda. Debesh Panda.
Okay, the name is here.
Yes, I am the advocate on record.
Good.
Yes.
I will do it.
Yes. So, in my case, very simply put, SMST is relied upon, and my arbitration agreement has been invalidated today because stamp duty was not paid. That's a judgment, and I'm challenging that. And that is pending before your lordship.
Invalidated means what?
Invalidated meaning, at the stage of 11.6, which I filed,
Correct.
I was asked, why have you not paid stamp duty on it? I took a stand in the High Court that no, this document is not required to be stamped because it is an agreement to lease, not a lease. That came before your lordships, the order of the High Court, and your lordships reversed that view, saying no, we feel it is a lease deed. But at the end of the day, relying on stamp deed, my arbitration agreement got invalidated completely. I am challenging that, saying you cannot invalidate the clause. I am ready to deposit it if your lordships requires under protest and without prejudice. But if this question is ultimately decided one way or the other, yes.
That's why we ask you whether it's invalidated or
It is invalidated. That's the difficulty. It's not impounded. It is invalidated. That is why I am before your lordships. In a curative. In a curative. Saying now that the question is finally being decided by your lordships as to whether it is invalidated or it is merely to be impounded and is curative. If your lordships holds in this in one way, which is in my favor, it will have a bearing on that petition there. And my lords, what has happened in my case is SMST is squarely relied upon to say this covers the issue. The agreement stands invalidated because stamp duty was not paid. So, my lords, with that preface, my lords, very quickly because I see I don't have much time. My lords, this is a simple case where I see of an intersection of the Stamp Act with the Arbitration Act that is taking place. This intersection, my lords, in my respectful submission, we have the note. Because what I'll do is I've made a very small note to assist your lordships.